Hello everyone! Today's video is about the use of the image comparison widget from Move Addons. This nifty image comparison widget allows comparison between two pieces of the images. Anyway, let me show you the easiest way to use the widget to make a stunning image comparison section. First, we're going to search for the widget from here. Then drag it here in this box. You'll find two image sections here. First, you want to click on the before image. Now, select the file image from your computer and click here on Insert Media. Next, you're going to do the same for adding the after image. You can change the image size from this drop-down menu. Now, go to the additional setting options and change whatever you want. Head over to the Style tab. It offers more modifications for color, background, and style. I think your image comparison section's ready now. If you have any suggestions on this video, you can comment down below.